Hello guys, welcome to another amazing tutorial. Today we're going to be treating how to read the tape measure. So before that, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking with me. If you are a new subscriber, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like they say, the tape measure, as little as it is the most powerful tool for any fashion designer. And for every profession, you have to know your tool very well. So here I'm going to be showing you how to read your tape measure. Usually, our tape comes from this point, from 0 point to 60. For some other tape, it can extend up to 120 inches. It usually comes with a metallic head. So here you have 1 inch, you have 2, you have 3. This tape I'm using is a tape rule, 1/8 tape rule, which we have. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So since I said it's 1/8, so this is 0/8, this is 1/8, this is 2/8, this is 3/8, this is 4/8, this is 5/8, this is 6/8, 7/8, then 8/8. So when you divide 8 divided by 8, it's going to give you what? It's going to give you 1. So I'm just going to illustrate this to you, how it's done. So watch. We have 0 here, the starting point, which is 0. Then watch, we have another line, which is this. So I'm just going to draw a tape rule like this. So the next one is not so long, followed by something like this. Then the next line, which is this. And then the middle, which is quite long, but not as long as this one. So we have a short one again. And then we have the one that is as this. So we have another short one before you have your 1. So the same pattern is being repeated. So you do again. So you have the short one, you have the one following it, you have another short one, you have the one that is longer than this, and then this, and then this, and this. So you have 2 here. Can you get it? So this first one, I told you that this tape rule is 1/8 tape rule. So you have, this is 0, 0/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, then 1. So after this one, now you go. This is going to be 1, 1/8, 1, 2/8, 1, 3/8, 1, 4/8, 1, 5/8, 6/8, 1, 7/8. So the same thing goes on. So those 1/8, 2/8, you can decide to use your decimal. I prefer working with my decimals instead of saying all of this. So this is what you have. So you have 1/8, which is the same thing as saying 1.25. This was going to give you 0.25. This is going to give you 0.375. And this will give you half, which is 0.5. And this will give you 0.625. This is going to give you 0.75. And then the next one is going to give you 0.875. So now if I want to call this 9, the number now, I can call it 1. If they ask you, maybe you've measured somebody and it stops here, what is the answer? If you can guess right, what is the answer here? It's going to be 1.125. For this, what's going to be the answer? You're going to get 1.25. For this, you're going to get 1.375. For this, let me allow you to guess. What is this going to be? So if you call 1.5, you're actually correct. Go to the next one. So remember this. It's either you're calling it 1/this, but remember that here is 0. The next one is 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. More like you dividing. When you divide 8/8, what's going to give you 1? Do you understand? So now, before I go, so just to recap, so if someone, let's say you measure the person's wrist and then it stops around here. So what do you think it's going to be? See where it stopped on this point? This where it stopped. So it's going to be 6.75, right? 6.75 or 7/8. So it depends on you. So watch, this is where I said it stopped. So I measure this person. So it's 6. This is 1 over 8, 2 over 8, 3 over 8, 4 over 8, 5 over 8, 6 over 8. So that's 6 over 8, or you say 6.75. So I hope this tutorial was really helpful to you. If it was, like, share, subscribe for more content. See you in the next video. Thank you.